In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian Canvas plugin. By the end, you'll have Canvas up and running and know how to start laying out notes, folders, and images on a flexible visual board inside your vault. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want Canvas to live. Everything you create will be saved right inside this vault, so it's a good idea to pick the one you actually use for your projects or research. Next, head to Settings using the gear icon in the bottom left. This is where all plugin management lives. From there, go to Community Plugins. Community plugins are third-party additions that extend Obsidian's capabilities, so take a moment to glance at the descriptions and ratings whenever you install new ones. Click Browse to open the Community Plugin directory. In the search bar, type Canvas. You'll see options related to Canvas. Look for Advanced Canvas. This plugin builds on Obsidian's visual workspace, so you can organize ideas on a board using cards, notes, and media. Open the Advanced Canvas page, then click Install. Installation downloads the plugin into your vault. Once it's finished, click Enable. Installing adds the plugin. Enabling actually turns it on and makes its commands available inside Obsidian. Close out of Settings and open the command palette with a quick keyboard shortcut. Control+P on Windows or Linux, or Command+P on Mac OS. The command palette is the fastest way to trigger features without hunting through menus. In the command palette, type Canvas, then choose Create New Canvas. Obsidian will create a new .canvas file in your vault and open a blank board. Think of this board as a zoomable whiteboard where each item, whether a note, an image, or a simple text card, can be placed, grouped, and connected. Now that your canvas is open, you can start populating it. Drag a folder from your File Explorer onto the canvas to bring its contents into your visual space. Drag an existing note to create a card that references that note. You can also drag an image file directly onto the canvas to pin visuals beside your ideas. If you prefer to type first and organize later, create a basic card and use it for quick thoughts before turning them into full notes. As you arrange items, zoom into focus, zoom out to see the big picture, and move cards around to find a layout that makes sense for your workflow. That's it. You've installed Advanced Canvas, created your first board, and started filling it with folders, cards, and images all inside Obsidian.